Walk it like you talk it. Okay, I'm in the reverse. I don't have a backup camera. My eyes are my backup camera. I'm looking, I'm checking, I'm going slow, covering my brake, backing up small, and I'm backing up, turning hand over hand. I don't want to hear that garbage about hand over hand. The National Highway Safety Transportation said hand over hand is the safest. So as a beginning driver, you gotta look. You gotta relax, you gotta chill, you gotta take your time, make eye contact with people. Okay, there's some young drivers there, as you should be. Her blinker's on. See, I don't want to take their spot, but I could. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn. Whoa, see them? See? He's walking out, she walking out. So we're just waiting. Don't use this car as a weapon to force people to walk faster. We'll go down the main way and then we're good. Okay, I'm looking, scanning. Turn on your blinker for pedestrians, for other drivers. Okay, we're gonna look and check, and then we got you. I'm gonna go down, taking my time. I'm scanning the intersection. I'm gonna take my time. A lot of good things today. Parking. Yes, I can park.